Hi guys, we're in my shelter in the garden. I was just up in my workroom and found this box, which was sent to me by Slater Harrison, ScienceToyMaker, back in November 2017. I don't know if the camera will focus on that. A selection of aeroplanes, gliders, some walk-along gliders, very thin foam. I did quite a few videos on walk-along gliders, and also a couple of rubber-powered helicopter-type gliders. Full set of instructions. And I did notice that this one is more or less in working order. I had to put one of the propeller blades back on. These are all made from scrap foam and scrap plastic. The propeller hub is a plastic cotton bud tube, which you can't get anymore. They're all paper nowadays. But I just gave this a quick try indoors and it works. I don't want to wind it up too much because it will, with a good rubber band, go really high, whereas we just want it to go up and down. So I'll put my hat camera on, wind it up. So yeah, this is all plastic packaging. I'll put a link to his channel in the video description. I think it's still current. I don't think I've seen any videos from him in quite a while, but I think the channel's still there. So 2017 he sent me this. We had quite a discussion about what sort of rubber we could use. This is just a Poundland rubber band, which I've just broken. Okay, I will go and get another one. A bit of lubrication would make it last longer. Something like washing up liquid. Okay, is there any wind? Possibly coming from that direction. So, here we go. Yes, that was the direction of the wind. Nearly lost it. So with good rubber, you can get a good height with these. I'll try and keep this video short. I'll put links, as I say, to his channel and to my videos where I built my own. Oh, not enough turns on it that time. Oh, done it again. I really ought to count. And as I say, a bit of lubrication would make them last longer. There we go. So with this rubber band we need just over 100 turns to get it to lift under its own power. Oh, there we go, yes. That'll do for now. We did actually see it was going up without me throwing it. Under its own power. Looks like the propeller blades could do with a little bit of adjustment as well. But then that's out of the box after, what's that, nearly 9 years, 2017, and we're in 2026. That one's made out of 2 plastic straws. And hot glue. But I'd need to put the propeller blades on there. That'll do for now. And I'll do some more videos with the walk-along gliders. Well, that'll do for a second. We'll have to do a proper video on it.